Gas ranges have become incredibly confusing to buy. You now have 4 major styles to consider. It's easy to make a mistake and either buy the wrong range or pay too much money. In this video, you'll learn about the 5 most important factors for choosing the right range: size, style, features, reliability, and when to buy for the best price. There's a lot to this video, but in the end, you'll have a greater understanding of gas ranges and you won't make a mistake in buying the wrong type. At the end, you can download our free gas cooking buying guide for in-depth comparisons and buying tips. So let's get started. Gas ranges, like all appliances, fit cabinet cutouts. A 30-inch gas range fits the standard 30-inch cabinet. 30 inches is the most common size, making up 80% of the units sold. If you live in the city, you can also buy smaller ranges at 20 and 24 inches. If you want a larger range, you can buy 36, 48, and even 60-inch ranges. They come with high-powered burners with grills, griddles, French tops, and larger oven sizes, and double ovens. Or you can just buy them as just larger ranges without the power and options. Freestanding is the most common with the controls on the back guard. It is also the least expensive type. It usually includes 4 burners with the controls in the back. They also feature finished sides to allow for the placement at the end of your cabinets. Slide-ins allow you to see your backsplashes and are better looking. However, they're installed differently than any type of range. Slide-ins usually require cutouts in your cabinets or countertop, something you definitely don't want to find out on the day of delivery. The main benefits of a slide-in are design and cleanability. They sit flush or just over your counter with no gaps so crumbs don't fall in between. A front control can replace the standard 30-inch freestanding range. It differs from a regular freestanding range because the controls are on the front. However, it doesn't require modification to your countertops like a slide-in, but you still have those gaps in between. The main advantage is that it's an easy way to upgrade the look of your kitchen from a regular freestanding range. So typically, you would buy a slide-in for new construction and a front control for replacement. The 4th type is a professional range. Pro range have that restaurant look with higher output burners and better infrared broilers. You can make a lot of mistakes here too. Many people assume pro ranges are much more powerful, but a high-end front control or slide-in will have at least 2 high output burners. Pro ranges often lack basic features like self-cleaning or basic clock and timer functions. So many people have one delivered and installed only to realize it doesn't have a clock. On the other hand, if you want the greater output but think it's too expensive, pro ranges after rebates are often much less expensive than a high-end slide-in or front control range. So it's important to compare the merits of each range based on how you'll use it. There are 6 different feature upgrades to freestanding and most slide-in and front controls. They are self-cleaning, 5th burners, convection, warming drawers, double ovens, and smart home functionality. Let's briefly look at each. Self-cleaning is a heat cycle to burn off the residue in your oven. A few ranges do not offer it, as well as half the professional ranges in a 30-inch size. It's a small upgrade, but the 5th burner is good for griddles with its oblong shape. If you think 5 burners are too much, gee how it manages to fit 6 in a 30-inch size. Convection is a fan-forced heat for more even temperature, which is better for baking. It creates an even temperature throughout your oven, allowing you to use several racks at the same time without a gap in temperature. Instead of a storage drawer below, you have a lower temperature warmer to keep food warm for up to 3 hours. There are many different configurations to double ovens, but the best have 2 ovens instead of 1 and 1 with a warmer. Some can be combined to become a full-size oven when you need it. Smart appliances allow you to access your stove remotely through your phone or tablet. You can change the temperature or turn on or off the oven, plus other features depending on the brand. This includes remote diagnostics and integrations with Google Home, Apple HomeKit, and Alexa. Shopping for pro ranges can be a bit different than regular ranges. You have different options and upgrades to consider. For example, one of the big decisions is all gas versus dual fuel ovens. All gas is a moist heat and better for roasting and broiling, whereas dual fuel is drier and more precise and better for baking. Remember, you need 220 volts and 40 amps when you go dual fuel. Upgrading to a larger size Pro, like 36, 48, or 60 inches, gives you the ability to add grills, griddles, French tops on the cooktop, as well as double ovens, speed ovens, or even steam ovens below. Let's talk about reliability. We've logged about 100,000 service calls in the last 3 years alone. However, service is a problem in most areas. You should investigate service availability where you live before you buy. Discover our full service statistics on gas ranges. Download our free gas cooking buying guide at the end of the video. There are times to wait for an appliance sale where you can save 10 to 35% or more. They're Black Friday, President's Day, Memorial Day, July 4th, and tax-free weekend, as well as Labor Day. You also want to package your stove with other appliances if possible for further manufacturer's discounts. So let's sum up how to buy a gas range. Size is first, so measure what space you have available or plan accordingly in a new kitchen. Buy the right style. Freestanding is cheaper, front control and slide-ins are better looking, and professional ranges are typically more powerful. Compare all the features and prices after rebates. You may find a Pro range to be less. Check the reliability stats and definitely check service in your area before buying anything. Lastly, buy around promotional holidays to save money if you can.